Giethoorn, Netherlands, the Venice of the North. Ever thought of exploring a village with no roads? Giethoorn, in the Netherlands, is a village with waterways instead of streets, where every journey is made by boat, bike, or foot. It's a place where you can glide silently along the canals, surrounded by cottages that look straight out of a fairy tale. This serene, picturesque village offers a slower, more peaceful way of life, perfect for anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle. Hop into a whisper boat, a quiet, eco-friendly vessel that lets you float under centuries-old bridges and past charming thatched roof homes. As you meander through the canals, it's like stepping into another world, one where traffic noise is replaced by birdsong and the gentle lapping of water. Each turn offers a postcard-perfect view that you won't find anywhere else in the world. There's more to Giethoorn than just its canals. On land, you'll find beautiful gardens, quaint cafes, and welcoming locals who are happy to share stories about their unique village. There's also a rich history here, with small museums that showcase the culture and craftsmanship of this centuries-old town. And when evening falls, the quiet village lights up, creating a magical atmosphere that feels like it's out of a dream. If you're looking for a peaceful getaway, Giethoorn is a slice of paradise that invites you to unwind, recharge, and immerse yourself in the beauty of its waterside charm.